Hello everyone and welcome to unbiased review of newlychee.com. Friends, today we will analyze is newlychee.com legit or not. This is not our website and our only motive is to make you aware of many online websites. So let's proceed further to its homepage. As you can see, Newlychee offers products related to baby and kids, clothing, shoes and accessories, houseware, pet supplies products, sports and outdoor products, and various other tools. They also are offering gift ideas up to 50% off. If you look at the hot sales, they have a pocket staff, magic pocket staff, which is only for £12.99. Earlier, its original price was £26.99. So let's click on the baby and the kids section and find out what products it has. So as you can see, they have outdoor kids water mat, which is essential for summer and it can be very much enjoyable for your kids. So it is only for £18.99. Apart from that, they also have wireless Bluetooth game controller, which is only for £34.99. If we look at the clothing, shoes and accessories, they have women waterproof and windproof jacket for monsoons that is only costing £26.99. And they also have a very dashing hooded jacket, as you can see, and it is only for £29.99. Apart from that, there are other summer collections as well. This is a V-leg leopard loose comfortable dress which costs £21.99. So similarly, there are other products in the houseware, pet supplies, sports and outdoor tools which you can check. If you look at the shipping policy, they are offering free shipping up to 50% off. Let's see what information they have. So you can contact them at support@replyou.com. If you see what payment methods they have, so they say that you can connect with the help of the PayPal, credit card, debit card or bank account, which can be linked further to the PayPal. So you don't have to have a PayPal account for the checkout. PayPal accepts all payment credit cards. So this is the payment method which you can check on the payment method policy. Going on to the return policy, if you are not satisfied with any of the product, you can return it within 14 days after the receipt of the product. And they have mentioned detail about the refund policy. So friends, if you see, the cost of each product is very much reasonable and there are a lot of products which are on sale. And this is basically a website which can be considered a one-shop store where you can find products for baby and kids. You can find products related to clothing and also various accessories, and also houseware products are available here. Tools are available here. Products related for your pets are available here. So the website looks quite appealing and tempting. But friends, we need to research more about this website. So I researched about this website on other search engines and I found that this site is very much new. The domain of this website was created only 2 months ago. And if you consider about its traffic volume, which is a very essential part of any website, I found that the website has very low traffic volume, which is just next to nil according to the Alexa traffic rank. I try to look at the customer reviews. I have also tried to find out the customer reviews on the website, and I don't find any customer reviews. I try to find any other feedback from the previous buyers of this website in other search engines, and I was not able to find any customer review. So it has nil feedback from any of the buyers. So we will assume that this website has not sold any of the product till now, which makes this website quite suspicious. Also, there are no social connections. They don't have any Insta or a Facebook or a Twitter page, and which gives it the lack of social connection tag. Hence, this website is too new to be trusted, and surely the website seems a scam to me. The online buyers are not recommended to buy anything from this website. So friends, this is all with a review of newlychee.com. If you have any suggestion, comments or experiences regarding this website or the product which are sold on this website, please do mention in the comment box. Also, do subscribe the channel, as it will help you protect from various fraudulent sites. Do like the video and share the video as well. Thank you very much and have a great day.